Whatever you do, don't buy this type of house as your next investment property. Hi, my name is Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and my channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom through property. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of the free content that I give you each and every week. So this video is all about which houses you shouldn't be buying. If you want to click here, it will run you through a video on which flats or apartments you should also be avoiding. So the first type of house that you should be avoiding, in my opinion, is a house that's in an area with a declining population. Now, if you go and check out this map, it will give you a really good overview on all the areas where there is indeed a declining or, of course, an increasing population. If you can see that there's an area that's in clear decline, I would be reluctant to invest there. If it's a declining population, that means you're going to struggle to actually rent those properties out if you're renting, or of course if you're selling, you're going to have a smaller pool of people to potentially buy that property from you. Don't buy a house where you're being speculative on the growth of that house. So don't buy it thinking to yourself, do you know what, that's going to go up in value over this period of time. Is it a good deal today? Don't buy a property, in my opinion, where you can't add value to it. Okay, I grant you, if it's giving you a really good cash flow, which we're going to come on to, that's absolutely fine. But if there's really no way that you can add value to that property, and by that I mean real tangible value, and I know I talk about that a lot, I don't think you should be buying it. Along a similar line, don't buy it if it's going to give you no cash flow. This is the whole point. It's supposed to be putting money in your pocket. If you're getting no or indeed low cash flow on that house, I don't think you should be buying it. Don't buy that house if it's going to trap your deposit in it on pretty much a permanent basis until the property hopefully creeps up in value, because that money is then locked into that house. You can't pull it back out to go and do that next deal. With most of the properties that I buy, I'm able to put money into the deal and then pull that money back out again relatively quickly, so I can use that money to go and do the next deal. Don't buy that house if it's going to give you a low return on investment. This is, of course, a business. You're looking at an investment property. You're looking to make money out of that house. So if you're only getting a low return on investment, do you know what? I think you should be looking elsewhere. And lastly, if it's a house that is out of your area, and I mean out of your investment area, I would strongly question whether you should be buying it or indeed looking at it at all. I totally understand if you live in one part of the country and you have a very clear knowledge of another area, that's absolutely fine. You can go and invest in that other area. But if this is other area that you keep hearing lots about, but you really don't know anything about that particular area, I don't think you should be investing there. If you would like a 50-point checklist that runs you through all the steps you need to take before buying that next investment property, simply click on the link here or in the description box below and I'll send it straight out to you.